everyone, welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are returning. Guess what today is? We are getting into my very first ever wash and go. So I am going to be using the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink. So here you go. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use this one or the Texture ID. So the reason I'm going in with this one is because I'm pretty sure this is going to fail because I don't have wash and go level hair. This ain't that. So it's gonna probably fail. So I'm gonna do it, then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm going to compare it with the Texture ID one. And with that one, whether it fails or not, it's really moisturizing. So even if it fails, I can then turn around and put my hair in 2-strand twists or braids and leave it in for a couple of weeks. So that's the plan. I wanted to do, originally I was going to do a half and half and see which side to compare the products, but I cannot do that, y'all, because I have 5 different types of hair in my head. I said it 5. So in the back, I have one texture from here to here. Then I have a little patch that's about that big right in the middle. That is the most coily, beautiful, thick hair I have in my entire head. It's one little patch. On this side, it is thicker, but it is completely wiry. She's just gonna do what she wants to do. There's no curl. Right here, this is, this part here, actually, I can get some definition in here, but once again, it's hit or miss. This stuff right here is all over the place. And then on this side, there is no curl, and it's the thinnest. This is the thinnest side of my hair. So I don't know why. I have been like this my entire life. I have 5 different types of hair on this head, you know, blame genetics. This is what we got going on. I am natural. I have been natural for decades. So natural 4-type hair. I do not have a defined curl pattern. I've got a couple of different things going on. Well, 5 different things going on. I'm gonna make my predictions right now. So the back of my hair, from here to here, it's going to look amazing. It's gonna be beautiful, and it might be a little bit frizzy. I don't know if this is heavy enough to hold me, but we're gonna see. This side, she's going to be, because today, I don't know, based off the weather, this side is going to possibly, this side is gonna get curls. I'm gonna get some poppage, but it may be a little bit of frizz. This side here is definitely gonna be all frizz. And this side here, I think, will be looser and not very much volume at all. So those are my predictions for my head. Oh yeah, and the little patch in the middle, that's gonna be Poppington City. That's where I want to be. So we'll see. Let's try this thing. So first things first, it says a small amount can be used on clean, dry hair, but this gel works best when used on clean, wet, or damp hair. Clean. So I guess I gotta wash my hair, y'all. Apply more for tighter curls and less for elongated curls. I don't know. I think I'm gonna need a lot of this because my hair does not, it doesn't hold. I don't know. Anyway, for wash and go styles, apply as needed, raking through hair with fingers, then finger styling hair into place. Air dryer, use the diffuser on a low light setting. I don't own a diffuser, so we are definitely air drying, so we'll see how many days it takes for my hair to dry. And that's it. So for twists and coils, I'm not worried about twists and coils because we're not there. So first thing it says do is wash my hair. I'm washing my hair with Texture ID products. So yeah, wash day. I have these twists in here from the last time I used these Texture ID products, and I've refreshed my hair twice, so it's been like 3 weeks, and it is still, I don't know if y'all could see, it feels soft. It's pretty. I love these products. I really think I like these products. And I'm gonna be doing a trim soon too, so stay tuned for that. I'm definitely gonna document that. I think I'm gonna do a bunch of little twists in my hair and then just go through and trim the ends. I do not have split ends, but I do have a couple of fairy knots. I'm feeling pretty good because I dust my hair often. I'm feeling it more in this section, which makes sense because this is the thinner part. So I do feel a couple at the end. Don't have split ends, but I do have fairy knots. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. Anyway, right now I'm about to take these twists out. Let's see what they look like. Now, see what I'm saying? I mean, I know I just raked it to the gods, but this is why, I mean, like twist outs and stuff, I'll just show y'all an example of what we dealing with. And this is why I think my hair is going to be a fail. Because I do not have a necessarily defined curl pattern. When my hair dries, it gets a lot looser. When my hair is wet, I have a decent curl pattern. Once it dries in a whole nother family. It doesn't dry in a fourth family. I don't know whose family this is, but this ain't the family it started with. So I'm gonna show y'all. This is what I'm saying. Now this is just me taking down some twists that have been in my hair for about 3 weeks now. Okay, so you see what I'm saying? Yeah, you already see the problem. Now watch. They say separate it where it wants to separate. It doesn't want to separate. It doesn't want to separate. Okay, so it wants to separate there. I'll take one. And it's over. It's over. You see this? This is why we don't do twist outs. Cause what am I doing with this? What is this? Where am I supposed to be going? Where do y'all think I'm going with this? I'm not, no. Separated where it wants to be separated. I don't have volume for that. My hair is thin and it doesn't want to be separated. So, and they say retwist. What am I doing? Where am I going with this? I can't wear this. Okay, I'm not gonna panic. I'm about to get off here and untwist the rest of these. But as y'all can see, like I told y'all, I've had a couple of people actually email me and they were like, look, you gotta do this, and if you twist your hair and then make sure it's dry. Okay, so these twists have been in my hair for 3 weeks. And as y'all saw, it was in a ponytail. Like you can't, it was like, it's not like they were elongated. My hair's not stretched. My hair was wet when I twisted it, super wet. My hair dries straight. So yeah, this is where we are. This is why we don't do twist outs, because my twist outs look like this. My whole head is gonna look like this. That's not a twist out. That's not a braid out. That's just straight hair. Anyway, I'm gonna stop ranting and we'll be back. Okay, so I've taken out my hair. I've detangled, and what I will say is I only lost this much from my whole head, and these twists were in for 3 weeks, so not bad, right? So now we're just gonna get in the shower, and it is time. What's that? Oh, dirt. It is time to wash. All right, y'all, I'll be back. You can see I did not dry my hair. My hair is still soaking wet. It's leaking all over me, but that's what y'all said. Now, if y'all mess me up, I'm gonna be real upset, because I was told put this stuff on soaking wet hair. This is what I'm a little concerned about. I'm not using a leave-in. All I have in my hair is water. So I don't know if I should put a leave-in, but then I guess I don't want flaking. So I guess I'm just gonna, we're gonna try. I'm guessing the best place to start would probably be the back and just let it lay down. All right, so let's get into this thing. I didn't comb it because I figured if I combed it, I would comb the definition out, since, you know, my hair doesn't hold a curl. So I'm gonna just see, I guess we'll go section by section and try to make it happen. Oh my God, I'm getting water everywhere. This is crazy. This is so messy. And y'all mean to tell me y'all do this on a regular basis? So they said finger detangle. It's good. We good. I didn't comb it. It's just I made sure that it was, I guess, detangled. So I'm gonna go in with this much. Is this right? When y'all watch this thing on the playback, I hope y'all tell me what I did right and wrong, because I feel like this is just gonna be real wrong. I don't know. I'm gonna be wasting a whole bunch of product. Ugh, it sounds disgusting. Let's do that what is it, AMSR? Okay. Is that what it's supposed to do? But my roots, hold on, my roots seem really fluffy. And I know I was told that's a no-no. We don't want fluffy roots. So, The roots gotta lay down. See, I don't know, that's weird. Is that what that's supposed to do? It's supposed to do that, but it looks like it's not together. Yeah, I'm gonna wind up going through this whole jar. That's what I'm feeling right now. Okay, so I guess I'll put some more on. I thought it was wet enough. Maybe I need some more water. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. This is about to be real interesting. Maybe I should have had, see, I think it would have laid down better if I would have had a deep conditioner. Okay, that, I've seen YouTubers, I think that's what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like this. So maybe that's, okay. Let me put a little bit more water just in case. I want to see what it looks like with some more water on it. I don't know how much more water my hair can take. It's leaking all over me. So is this right? Okay, this feels better. Okay, there we go. All right, I guess I got one section done. It still looks a little frizzy at the roots. All right, y'all tell me in the comment section, what am I supposed to do about my roots being that frizzy? At this point, my curls still aren't looking how I feel like they're supposed to. So I pulled out my dimming brush because I've seen a lot of YouTubers use it. And I don't know if y'all caught my video. It'll be a link at the end for that video. But I don't fool with the dimming brush. I've had it for like 5 years. I think this is my second time using it. So I wanted to see if using the dimming brush would make a difference. And it kind of did a little bit, but I don't really know. So yeah. Okay, so I had music in the background, but my exact words were, this don't look right. I feel like this is going to be a problem. I'm not feeling this. So at this point, I was getting frustrated because my hair was not curling. I was getting waves and stuff, but it just wasn't looking how I thought it was supposed to look. So yeah, this was definitely a learning experience. So to my surprise, the front actually cooperated way better than the rest of my hair, which I was super surprised. I did not expect that because the front is usually the first part to go frizzy on me. And as you can see, I used a really big section. It just clumped together. It's crazy. It took no effort. I used a big section. I put a glob of gel in there and it just clumped. So yeah, I don't know why, because that's always the problem area, but it worked this time. Just as I suspected, I basically didn't even put any product in that section and it already started to define and clump. I figured it would. That is the easiest, most defined part of my hair. Now, the front side, just like I thought, it definitely started to frizz a little bit on the under part. I thought it would. It did. It kind of does what it wants to do. So on my left side, this is where I told y'all I would have very little volume. I'm going to get definition, but it's not going to be curl definition. It's going to be wave definition, and it's just going to fall flat. And it's crazy because that's exactly what I was seeing. I was seeing some waves and flatness. So So true to form, my left side, it doesn't clump. I was working so hard trying to get that side to clump together and get some definition. There's no volume. It's just loose. And I say that's my 4C side that has 2B characteristics. So yeah, that's like my 2B side, as y'all can see, is very loose. And my back is similar, but my back has curls. My left side does not really have a defined curl pattern. It's more just looser and kind of, as y'all can see. So this was a struggle. I'm telling you, like, honestly, this whole thing took me maybe 20 minutes. It really didn't take that long, but Yeah, it was a lot of work. Okay, so I finished it. This side has shrunken up, this side has not. So I guess it'll take some time. I don't know. I hate it. It looks crazy. It's just gonna, I know it's gonna dry and be a huge fuzz ball. There's not gonna be anything cute about it. Look, it's already like just clumping together and doing what it wants to do. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I can't believe I did this. It's alright. So I guess I just have to let it dry. A huge kink ball. Jesus, this is insane.
Styled it all wonky.
I mean, I don't know. What do you mean? I didn't style it. I just put the stuff in and I thought it was supposed to dry and then I style it. In my mouth? Ugh. Oh, I can't believe I let people talk me into this one. This is Mabel. Mabel was like, oh, I should go. Now, it was actually fast. I did it really fast, but it's just a puff ball. This is horrible. Jesus. It pretty much went how I kind of thought it would. Like, I have an area of concern back here. My, you know, the back part, I told y'all I figured that was going to be the loosest, and it is. I don't really know how to get it to suck up. It's actually, everything is the same length, but that just hangs lower so it looks like it's longer. This is a little weird to get used to. I have not had shoulder length hair probably since I was like 2 weeks old, so this is weird. But I will say this side came out super thin. I can just get my hands in there because I know that's my thin side, and this side is super dense because that's my dense side. So what I did was I just put some hair over here. I haven't separated it. I guess if I separate it, from what I saw online, that it'll you know, fill out. I just I did the shake thing. I shook it, put on some earrings, and just decided to come on camera and tell y'all what I think. So it's kind of cute. It's defined. It looks better in person, I think, than it does how it's like translating on camera. I don't know, it feels a little short. But yeah, so I need to, I guess, stretch the roots because I didn't do that. I need to stretch the roots and I need to shape it. And then once I stretch the back, I think it'll start to look like this. Because can y'all see, I have just like one section back there that's just hanging. And it's just hanging, and I can't cut it off because it's the length of everything else. And yeah, I just parted it. So I guess I'll smooth down my part and actually do something like stretch it so that it'll fill out a little bit more. But I think it came out really defined, way better than I thought. It's not bad. It's really not. I could see myself doing this and then like going somewhere. I like it. I mean, it's different. It takes some getting used to, because it is a little dry feeling, but it's really not bad. So yeah, that's all I have to say. I'm about to get off of here. I'm gonna, I guess, stretch my roots with a pick, pull it out a little bit so it'll be bigger, and put some oil on it so that this part can kind of hang down just a little bit more, because I feel a little bit bald-headed, but you know, whatever. It came out cute. It did better than I thought it was gonna do. And all right, what is that, Aunt Jackie or Miss Jessie? No, Aunt Jackie. All right, Aunt Jackie. Definitely, like I said, I need to work on it because we're not going outside like this. But make sure you all subscribe to my channel, hit the blue bell for notifications, thumbs me up, and comment down below what I need to do differently the next time I do it, and also like the proper way to stretch it. And I guess that's about it. All right, so we up out of here. Deuces.